my YouTube channel. I am Charlotte. There's a lot of people here, and they all shouted for how beautiful the fireworks were, even for me. It gives me joy that I can't explain. It was so satisfying to witness how beautiful the fireworks were. When the show was done, my neck hurt, and I felt like I would have a stiff neck, but still, it was worth it. After we watch the Christmas lightning, we take some pictures and so on. This was taken on December 1st. Every year on December 1st. They always celebrate the Christmas lightning, and all of those design they put into it is so amazing and unique. After taking some pictures, we decided to eat ice cream. Since we're already eating, we just wanted to have some sweets, so we decided to buy them. And these are some of the pictures that we took. It was so wonderful, and I enjoyed that day. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.